Hey, this is Mike Brooks here, and I want to welcome you to Eye on Social Media. Um, this is December 8th. This is day 8 of our 30-day challenge. First of all, if you're here and you're hanging with me, I really want to thank you for being here and doing this, and I'd love to hear about your results. And there's plenty of places on this blog to comment and Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, all that stuff. So whatever your favorite place to put a comment and put some feedback, we'd love to hear about how you're doing with it, and share it with us. Give us a link to what you've done so that we can help you spread the word on your social media content, because that's the nature of the game, is getting the word out. So anyway, we can help. Please pop this information in here. And today I'm going to show you how to cheat, quite frankly. So my 30-day challenge, I committed to creating 30 days of content. Actually 31 days, because I'm going to do it for a month. So we're in December. My last piece of content in this series will be on New Year's Eve of 2011. Last day of 2011 will be the last post that I make for this challenge. Now, here's the thing. It doesn't need to be written content. Needs to be a published piece of content. And never in here did I say that you have to write every single day. I just said you have to create content. Let's go to the, make sure I'm correct. So I've sorted it by social media. Ooh, it's going by real fast. Let's see. So next 30 days, if you're going to create content, we're talking about content, not written. So we're going to cheat a little bit. And as you can see, I am filming a video. Now, if you found this on YouTube and you stumbled upon this, no pun intended, stumble upon, get it? If you're a social media manager, you get it. If you don't, stumbleupon.com, very useful. But if you stumbled upon this some other way, if you came through, you're like watching this video first time, you're seeing this, you're wondering what the heck this is. Well, this is the 30-day challenge on eyeonsocialmedia.com, and we're on day 8. So go ahead and check out, go back to the blog, hit, go over there and check it out, and see if it's something you want to do. Anyway, this is cheat day, right? Day 8. So we're sitting here and we're writing every day. The idea is to be creative, to create good content. And I want to give you a tool, and we've been talking about that for a couple days now, is tools to create good content. It doesn't have to be written. People may look at it and go, oh my God, I have to write. I hate writing, or I'm bad at writing. Well, first of all, if you're bad at writing, write anyway and get good at it. But you don't have to write every day. I am creating this piece of content today by speaking into my computer and recording this live. And I am using a tool, and you can get this tool and use this. This is Camtasia Studio. And here is me playing the violin. I couldn't find anything else. I actually play the violin. I started a year ago, and this is my daughter here. She'd kill me if she realized I was doing this. And, if you play it, you can see how I think we were, oh my God, we were playing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. This actually was our first time playing. We just started, and the story behind this is my daughter decided she wanted to play violin in her 5th grade year, and I decided I wanted to do it too, and I asked the music department, the music studio that she goes to take lessons, if we could do like 2 for 1. And then they said, yeah, if you rent an instrument, you can take violin lessons too. So I was like, awesome. So we're playing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star here. It's pretty embarrassing, putting embarrassing stuff out on the internet. So now, hey, I'm on to, we're on to minuets, man. We're playing Bach now. It's really, really cool. So looking back at this, how much I was struggling with that song. We're playing some hard stuff now. So I'll have to put something up here to show you that I can play more than Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Anyway, here's the video, right? So if I'm using something like this, I can do all sorts of funky stuff in here. So I can teach you how to do, this is a great teaching tool, right? So if maybe I want to put a little call out here. This is me playing violin. Check out facebook.com/eyeonsocialmedia. Of course, I'm gonna, I am going to. 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 I a little more, but you get the idea. You could do some pretty cool things in these videos, in these things. Now I've got, let me click out of there. It'll kind of fade on here. Look at that, some fancy stuff. So I could do some, what I'm trying to get at is I could do some video editing here. And move this down so you can see it. It's got this little call out. When I'm done, I finished. This is not a tutorial to teach you how to use Camtasia, but you know, if you want to put in transitions, if you've got more than one thing. So here's the deal. If I have Camtasia as a tool, I can go and do these educational videos where I explain things and teach things on the internet, right? I can go to this website and show you how to install your own blog, and that may be coming up. So if you haven't installed your blog, by the way, here you go. Go here, tumblr.com, or go here, wordpress.com. Go get your free, get started here, right? Let's see, start posting. Go ahead, get started, and we're going to talk about that in upcoming days. You know, a little more mechanical stuff with the difference between a hosted blog and a not a self-hosted blog and a Tumblr or you know, a non-self-hosted blog, I guess. We'll talk about the differences between those, get more into the technical details. But this little tool, Camtasia, gives me the ability to go ahead and teach and do things. I can put call-outs. If I had like let's say I had information in here I didn't want to show anybody, right? I could put a call out in here through this software. Let's finish this and we'll, oops, go back here again. I could click this button to make a call out, and I might want to do a, where is it? Blur call out, right? So this little, look at this blurred call out. I can put that, if I have like username and passwords on here, I can put that over here. So that nobody can see what I'm doing, and I can, you know, show you a screen where I would be logging in and hide my login information. I mean, there's a ton of cool stuff you can do here. And Camtasia is an expensive option. If you don't want to pay for Camtasia, you could go over here, and you could go to let me move this over here. You could go to camstudio.org, I think. Let's see what happens. Yeah, here we are. This is an open source, very similar to Camtasia, open source, free use video recorder. So this is on screen. I literally have a camera that's, you know, it's not a camera, but I'm just capturing the screen. I've got a microphone I'm talking into, and now I'm creating content. And this is today's blog post. And however long it took me to talk into my camera, it took me to record an informational video. So I'm actually, today's topic is creating an informational video about, or I'm creating an informational video about how to create an informational video. So think outside of the box here. Now you can record a podcast, what's called a podcast, or an audio. So you create a simple audio file, and then you can embed the audio into your document. So there's podcast channels out there where you can go and, or stream, places to stream and audio, and we'll get, you know, into the technical details. But if you go to YouTube and search on how do I embed audio into my blog, you'll find tons of paid and free resources. There's just numerous things. The video is an easy way to do it, where you can show things as you're doing it. So there you go. And I did this in a flash. It's a valuable piece of content if you're someone who has no idea how to create content, right? I mean, if you're in the info marketing world, maybe, you know, you stumbled on this and you go, boy, this is basic stuff. But you know, if you're stumbling over writing every day and you're having a hard time focusing on writing and catching up on what to write, record these short little informational videos, and that's your content. And you're going to see in the blog, I kept it with very little written words around this video. The feature of this blog post is this video content. So, and then I just go and upload it to YouTube, and then I embed the YouTube code. I take the YouTube code and I embed it right into my blog. And to do that, go over here to my YouTube account, go to Video Manager, and I would just go into the video that I want to grab, and here's the video.
Hey, Mike Brooks here.
And if you've been following along, you may notice, you may have seen this video already. I go into Share, and then that's going to open up here, and you embed, and that's going to show us the embed code, and I just go grab this code. And there's other things I might do. I can resize it and use HTTPS, old embed code. So I go grab this, and then I just embed it in the HTML side on my blog, or I can insert a widget. Now, if you don't have your own blog, you may have trouble doing this, but this is an easy way to generate content. And again, these are ideas. These are just different ideas. You may not want to use certain ideas, and that's okay. Just trying to get the creative juices flowing with you and give you different ideas and different solutions to doing the same thing. And if one idea takes you to the next level, then it's the idea that's for you. So don't think that you have to do this. That's where I'm getting at. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm looking forward to hearing about what you're doing with the 30-day challenge, and I can't wait to see this through to the end, to the 31st. I'm excited to see how it turns out, and I'll talk to you again on the next one.